just love getting letters from y'all. I get some of the sweetest words from y'all out there. And if you send it, just know that I read everything that you send. I read every one of them. And one of the latest ones, yeah, this was sent in April. It comes from Connie Eatman from California. I can't pronounce the town she's from. Slimer? Sylmar? Slimer? That doesn't sound like a pretty name, Eddie. Surely it's not Slimer. You're Slimer than me.
Sylmar.
Sylmar?
Yeah.
Okay, but anyway. She just tells me she's enjoyed watching me from the very beginning. Thank you for sharing your family and your family recipes. And she said, I've got almost all of your cookbooks. And she said, I just wanted to share with you a recipe my dad and I made so often. When I was young, we liked to make our version of a chili relleno. But at the time, we couldn't get the fresh chili, so we bought the canned ones, the whole chilies. But time and time again, they were so damaged that the whole chili was in the can. You know, it was so badly, she never got what she called a real whole pepper. So they decided to just cut everything up, throw it in a bowl, and make patties, which sounds good because you got all those flavors. She said we would fry them, then serve with fried potatoes, with onions, northern white beans, with ham hock, and cornbread, and of course, sweet tea. Yummy. My family is also Southern. One side of my family is descendants of the McCoys. The other side is from Oklahoma and Germany. My dad always called us Heinz 57. We have a little of everything in us. That makes y'all very special. I thought maybe you would enjoy these pepper patties as much as we do. Please keep up doing a fantastic job. And she said, as a wise woman once said, from my house to yours, love and best dishes. So sweet, Connie. Thank you so much. I just love doing things out of my wheelhouse. And Connie tells us to start with 1/4 to 1/2 cup of oil. And I'm using peanut oil. And these chilies takes forever for them to drain. So I have drained them in addition to Teresa's draining them. And I found a strainer with bigger holes. So, all right, so we've got our eggs. She said 1 large can of whole Ortega chilies, 2 eggs, 1 too long package of saltines. That's what is confusing me. Or 1 cup of panko or Italian breadcrumbs. Now, I love panko, so that's what I'm going to use, Connie. And 2 cups of grated mild cheddar or Monterey Jack. And approximate oil, 1/4 to 1/2 cup. So you know what? That's not even covering the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the whole 1/2 cup, Connie. Because I feel like you do the same thing. All right, let me beat up this egg. We're going to stir everything together. And Connie tells me that it would be soft. But I love, we don't go out to eat much, but I will order the chili rellenos. I guess I'm saying it right, I don't know. And sometimes once in a while they've been so hot I couldn't eat them. But look how simple this is. I mean, and I stuck my finger down in some of the juice, and it had just a little bite to it, which to me made that real good. All right, I'm gonna mix all that together real good. That's a lot of cheese. That's a lot of cheese, Connie. Connie girl. So I hope you're watching so you can tell me anything I've done wrong. I think this is one of those things that you just need to get your hands in. How's that look to you, Eddie? Smells so good.
Looks good.
All right, I'm gonna just shape them into a patty. She said, heat up all in skillet. Place patties in skillet and fry until golden brown with some brown edges. Because that cheese is going to make them brown, isn't it? Ooh, I like that sound.
No, Teresa put a vegetable oil rather than peanut.
Oh, I thought it was, oh, that is vegetable oil. That's all right. Just got to have some kind of oil. And Connie says, I thought this was so cute. She said her favorite way to eat these is the next day in a sandwich with mayonnaise. That girl's after my heart. I mean, she is speaking my language. I used to make a bean cake sandwich that a friend of mine shared that technique with me, and it's so good on white bread with mayonnaise and onion, and this kind of reminds me of that.
You made that on this.
I did, yes.
So
I mean,
yeah, you can look it up.
I love those white bean sandwiches. Like I said, this kind of reminds me of that. Okay. See what we got. Get my grandma's flipper and see what we got over here. All right, that's the first one I put in. Oh, Connie, hush your mouth. Look at this, Teresa.
I know, they look fabulous.
Whoa, SpaghettiOs. Wow, kabow. Holy camole. Whoa. Thank you, Connie. I mean, this is just wonderful. You know, this is kind of what my desire was, you know, for this channel, to share memories and share recipes that we hope won't die with us. You know, we want to keep them going. How's that looking? Still looking be good, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You can burn my mouth, honey, but I'm still gonna taste them. There you go. There's 3 forks. And let's see, I think I took this one out first, so it may be the coolest.
Okay.
And then maybe it's not. Who knows? I'll put it over there where y'all can reach it.
Well, what are you tasting?
I'm gonna taste right here. You know what? I think I'd like to do it like this, Teresa. Because you're right, it's
really like a hoe cake.
it's like cornbread.
I'm waiting to see if your mouth goes on fire.
Mm-mm.
People have the best recipes.
I know, don't they?
Mm-hmm. Please keep sending them.
Okay, yeah, y'all, please. Like I said, I especially love to try things that's out of my wheelhouse that I just don't know about. You know, I know my lane, but
I wash my hands, Eddie.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go. You have to taste it.
All right, Teresa.
Isn't that totally different tasting?
They're delicious. And I can understand how she would like them on a sandwich.
Me too. But I could eat them today. I wouldn't need to wait till tomorrow.
On a hamburger?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit like hash browns.
Don't they look like hash browns? They do.
Oh, they're very good.
Thank you, Connie. Thank you, girl. I so appreciate you sharing with us. And hopefully, if I cook those correctly, hopefully you'll watch this, and if I should have done anything a little differently, hopefully you will share that with me. Thank you. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.